from this to this. Stay with us guys and we'll show you how to do that at home in just a few minutes, and you have amazing headlights, okay, that look like that at night instead of having the factory bulbs like that. So let's start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to install LED headlight bulbs on BMW guys. We'll be demonstrating on BMW 3 Series, but it will work on multiple BMW models guys. That's what we have here guys. Bulbs were sent to us by Auxbeam. We've used those bulbs in the past, really good quality, and this is the upgraded version with a super thin chip, and the light pattern should be amazing guys. Another thing, they come with the error eliminating device, so you're not going to get an error message on the dash that tells you that you have a burned bulb when you install the LED bulb. Stay with us guys and you will be surprised how good those things are. If you want to see where we got them from, we'll have guys the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos, and that's the case with this BMW guys. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let us show you guys, okay, what the bulbs come with. Okay, we're going to open the hood of that BMW. It's extremely dirty here guys, we're going to detail it soon. We got two packages for low beams and high beams guys. Ours use H7 bulbs, but they have different sizes. Okay, this is what the bulbs look like. Do not touch the chip part with your fingers guys. This is the device, okay, the CAN bus device that actually eliminates the error message inside your car, so you're not going to get an error message guys. And you get a free sticker, so that's great. Now how we're going to do that now guys. Okay, we have the high beam bulb, okay, right here. This is the high beam side, so pretty simple. Okay, you unscrew that thing and you pull it out. Okay, check it out. Now you have the bulb, okay, let me see, you have the bulb on the inside, okay, right there. So that bulb guys, okay, it comes out, okay, you need to leave the bottom side up. Okay, and you pull the bulb out. Okay, what I did, it's attached like that, and I just lifted it up. He has two clips on each side. We got it out. If you're planning on reusing your old bulbs guys, do not touch it with your fingers, because the oil from your fingers will make them burn fast in the future. So now this is done. What else we need to do here guys? We get one of those bulbs. Okay, we get one of these. We get the error eliminating device. Okay, it goes only one certain way guys, so let me make sure I get it correct. Okay, perfect. Now all we have to do, secure it here. Okay, great. Now what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to install that bulb. Now it will be a little bit of a limited room here, so I won't be able to show with a great detail, but it's a very tight fit, by the way, very tight fit, but it does fit. Some other bulbs may be a different design, they might fit better, they may not, so you really guys have to take your time. But to be honest with you guys, okay, this one does fit. Okay, let me get it in now. So we did get it in guys. Okay, let me explain now quick. Okay, I want to show you. You can see how tight of a fit that thing is, right? Okay, we were hitting here a little bit, but eventually we were able to get it in. So it's very tight fit on the high beams, but it does work guys. Okay, only thing that we have left now, okay, is we need to go ahead and install the device here. So usually guys, here it says positive, negative. In our case, the positive should be on the outside to work. If it doesn't work, okay, grab it and switch it the other way around. Okay, like that, because there is two possibilities, so you gotta make sure that everything works good. Some people will leave the box, the headlight open. I personally don't, because there is humidity build up after that, so I don't. I securely put this thing on the inside, but there are disadvantages, because some people say you can catch your car on fire. So it really guys depends on how much heat the bulb puts, but I'm going to test it later and we'll see. Okay, if it gets really hot, and we're going to let you know. But I've used them in the past on a Mercedes ML class guys. We had them low and high beams closed for 3 years, and I have not had any problems guys, and the bulbs were still functioning correctly. So let's go ahead, close it. Okay, perfect. And now we're going to go, guys, okay, to the low beam side. Low beam side on this BMW. Reach it, guys. Okay, you reach it right here through the fender liner. Okay, so let me see if we can get the camera in now. So you can see, guys, you have one cap here, right? Okay, this is the cap, and you're supposed to open it. Okay, I already opened one of them to see how it works. Okay, like that. But I opened this one too. Okay, slide the cap up, pull it out. Now we have one cap here that we need to open. Okay, and pull it out. Then we have, guys, the headlight bulb inside. Okay, I got it out. And the only thing that we need to disconnect is the wiring harness now. Okay, and trying not to touch the bulb. If you touch it, guys, wipe it, because the oil from your finger, if you are planning on reusing it in the future, it's going to burn that bulb really quick, guys. So I'm putting the other assembly together now. Okay, give me just a second. Okay, remember how we did the error eliminating too? So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, I'm almost ready. Perfect. Now I need to get that bulb in first. Okay, it got in pretty easy, guys. Now the only thing that I have to connect, okay, is the connector. The positive always goes on the outside here. I figured it out, and later I'm going to put it in. We'll go ahead and install our cover, and we'll see how it performs. So we're going to go ahead, turn the lights off, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and we're going to see the results now. I'm super excited to see how that thing performs and if it has any difference than the regular non-LED bulbs, guys. So I'm going to stay right in front of the thing. Okay, we're going to turn the lights on. Low beams, let's do high beams now. Okay, and the difference, guys, is just astonishing. Okay, this is what we have here now. If we look at the door, guys, check out the results. It will be unbelievable, guys, difference. Okay, this is the regular non-LED factory BMW bulb. This is, guys, right there, the LED bulb. Low beams, high beams. Let's do again. Low beams. Okay, that's what we get here, high beams. And you can see what they look like on the car. This is yellowish light. Okay, and this is what we have here with the LED bulbs, crystal clear, ice covered light. So that's, guys, definitely an amazing difference. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure out that and if it's worth it or not. Thank you for watching. Please check out the link in the description of the video below, and see you guys next time.